Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: adequate RAM, free disk space, and a supported OS. Once confirmed, run the Visual Studio installer and pick a workload that matches your project needs, for example, Net or C++. Make sure to include optional components like SDKs and Git if you plan to use source control. Sign in with your Microsoft account to sync settings. After installation, launch Visual Studio and create a new project to verify the ID loads and templates appear. You now create and configure your project. Select the correct project template and set the target framework version. This determines APIs you can use. Name the solution and pick a logical path, then opt into Git repository initialization if you want version control from the start. Once the project opens, configure editor settings, theme, font size, and key bindings to speed up workflows. Install or enable extensions that help your language, such as IntelliSense support, linters, and debugger tools to improve development efficiency. You finish by building and running the app to confirm everything works. Use Build Then Run and look at the output and error list panels for compilation messages. If behavior needs inspection, set breakpoints and step through code while watching locals and call stack. Once done, commit your initial code to Git and push to a remote if configured. If the build fails, clean and rebuild the solution, verify NuGet packages and target frameworks match, and ensure SDKs are installed. This single troubleshooting step catches common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.